All right, I am going to be making a new jam. We're tentatively calling it Quadberry Jam. It's going to it has strawberries, blueberries, red raspberries, and black raspberries in it. And this one, I don't know yet what the recipe is going to be because I have to play with it. So I have to figure out how much pectin based on weight of fruit, and then how much sugar based on taste. So normally you add the pectin first when you start cooking your jam. When you start cooking your fruit for jam, you add the pectin right away and then add the sugar afterward. Well, in this case, we're going to be doing it a little bit backwards because I'm going to add sugar to taste. So I'll add some sugar, cook it, see how it tastes, and then probably add more sugar because I tend to underestimate, because you can always add more. You can't take the sugar out once it's in. So that's our new experimental jam at the moment. Eventually, when I have the sugar quantity where I want it, I will add the pectin. We'll bring it up to a nice rolling boil, hold it there for at least a minute, possibly a little bit longer to make up for the fact that it didn't get heated earlier, and then turn it off and put it in jars to put in a water bath to can it. So I'm happy with a cup and a half of sugar. So and my taste test expert also agreed that a cup and a half was pretty darn good. So that's what we're going to go with. I'm going to add the pectin and we're going to bring that up to a boil.
Whee! Just know the taste test expert was not me.
Fool, I'm the taste test expert.
It's the other person. It wasn't me, it was the other person.
This is getting close to a rolling boil. This is kind of my last chance to test it and make sure that it's sweet enough. Ooh, that is so good. It's still just a little bit tart. I do like my jams to taste like they actually came from fruit rather than just like solid massive sugar candy stuff. So we'll get this to that rolling boil. It's almost there. We'll hold it there for a minute and then I'll can it. I am not going to record canning it for this video because my battery is almost dead, and you know, you're not watching this video for the canning. We can do a completely separate video if anyone needs to learn or wants to learn about canning.